Good morning, students. I am Lakshmi Mai. I am taking 3rd standard science subject. Today we will start the second lesson, parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Stand in front of a mirror. How many parts of your body can you see? Write any 2 parts. Do plants also have different parts? Name 2 parts which you can see. Write these question answers in your science classwork book. Just like we have different parts that help us do different activities, plants also have different parts that carry out different functions. Let us learn about the different parts of a plant. The different parts of plants include the roots, stem, leaves, leaves, fruit, flower. Each part has a set of jobs to do to keep the plant healthy. Flower helps in reproduction. Leaf performs photosynthesis. Fruit protects the seeds. Stem supports the plant and root absorbs water and minerals. The root, the part of a plant which grows below the ground, is called the root. The part of a plant which grows below the ground is called the root. There are 2 kinds of roots. First one, taproot, and second, fibrous root. Taproot and fibrous root. Let's see the taproot. See here, students, this is a picture of taproot and this one is fibrous root. When there is a long main root with many thin small roots growing from this main root is called the taproot. When there is a long main root with many thin small roots growing from this main root, it is called a taproot. Rose plants and mango trees have taproots, which grows deeply into the soil is called a taproot. Fibrous root. When a bunch of roots grows from the end of a stem, it is called a fibrous roots. Grass, wheat and rice plants have fibrous root, while the fine thick hairs like structure that spread sideways in all the directions is called a fibrous root. How does the root help the plant? How does the root help the plant? Roots hold the plant firmly in the soil. Root hold the plant firmly in the soil. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Root hairs that increase the surface area for the absorption of water and minerals from soil. Roots of some plants such as carrots, radish and beetroot store extra food in them. They have 3 major jobs: absorbing water, minerals and supporting the plant and storing food. Second, stem. The stem grows above the soil. It bears branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. The stem grows above the soil. It bears branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. It supports leaves, flowers, fruits, transports water and dissolved substance between the roots and the shoots in the xylem and phloem, stores nutrients. Different plants have different types of stems. Trees such as mango, neem and banyan have thick, hard and woody stem. This stem is called the trunk. This stem is called the trunk. Trees are big and tall plants with very thick and hard stems. The stem of some plants such as rose and hibiscus are woody but not as thick as the stems of trees. Such plants are called shrubs. Woody plants are plants that have hard stems and that have buds that survive above ground in water. Woody plants are usually either trees, shrubs. Plants such as coriander and mint have soft and weak stems. Such plants are called herbs. Herbs is a short-sized plant with soft green stem without the woody tissues. Some herbs grow along the ground. They are called creepers. Some herbs grow along the ground. They are called creepers. They have very fragile, long, thin stems that can neither stand erect nor support all its weight. Watermelon and pumpkin plants are creepers. Examples of creepers: watermelon, pumpkin plants. Some herbs need support to grow upright. They are called climbers. Climbers are much more advanced than creepers. Climbers have a very thin, long, and weak stem. Money plants and pea plants are climbers. Money plants and pea plants are climbers. How does the stem help the plant? The stem provides support to the plant. Stem are support the leaves. The stem carries water and minerals absorbed by the roots to different parts of the plant to conduct water and minerals to the leaves. The stem carries food that the leaves make to different parts of the plant. Some plants store extra food in their stems. For example, potatoes and ginger, sugarcane. Examples of some plants store extra food in their stems: potato, sugarcane and ginger. Quick check. Fill in the blanks. Roots absorb water and dash from the soil. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Second one, herbs have dash and dash stems. Herbs have dash and dash stems. Herbs have soft and weak stems. Herbs have soft and weak stems. Write in your science classwork book. Leaf. Leaves are usually green in color. They are of different shapes and sizes. We can identify a plant by looking at the leaves. All the plants around us have leaves of different shapes and sizes. Different kinds of plants have different types of leaves. See here, this is a banana leaf, this is neem leaf, this is lotus leaf and this is mango leaf. Let's learn parts of a leaf. Most leaves have a broad and flat surface called the leaf blade or lamina. Most leaves have a broad and flat surface called the leaf blade. The flat part of a leaf is called the leaf blade. A number of fine tubes run across the lamina. These are called the veins. If we observe a leaf closely, we can see a network of fine lines. These are called the veins. Veins carry midrib. The main vein is called the midrib. Write in your science classwork book. Next, how do leaves help the plant? Leaves help the plants by making food. They are called the kitchen of the plant. In the presence of sunlight, leaves make their food by using air, water and chlorophyll. Leaves of most plants are green in color because of the presence of a green substance called a chlorophyll. The process by which plants make their food is called a photosynthesis. Leaves that have chlorophyll make food for the plant through a process called a photosynthesis. To carry out this process, the leaves also need sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. Leaves have stomata that help the plants to take in air for photosynthesis. Sunlight that falls on the leaves is trapped by chlorophyll. Carbon dioxide is absorbed from the air through tiny opening called a stomata. The leaves of some plants such as cabbage and spinach store food. We eat the leaves of these plants. See here students, quick check. Tick true or false. First one is leaves are of the same shape. This sentence is false. Second, leaves prepare food for the plants. Leaves prepare food for the plants. This sentence is true. Write in your classwork book. So students, now it's time to take the homework. Draw a neat and well-labeled diagram to show the parts of a plant and parts of a leaf in your science classwork homework book and send on the WhatsApp. Thank you.